Hi everyone, this is how to draw patterns in the CocoWyo book, and today we're up to this pattern, which is the strawberry pattern. So don't forget to put some sheets of paper behind the one that you're working on. So we start off with, I'm using an alcohol marker, that's a Deco Time twin marker. I've got deep yellow and lemon yellow, and we're just going to use these for the base colours. So this is the lighter yellow. So it says colour the base and then let it dry. So with the lighter yellow, that is number 35, lemon yellow, I'm just going to colour all of the base of this little headscarf. I'm using the brush tip just because it's a little bit wider than the fine tip while I'm doing this big base section. And then with the slightly deeper yellow, number 32 deep yellow, I'm just going to put some darker colour in this bit here that's the inside of the headscarf, just to give it a little bit of depth and shading. And then we need to let that dry, so if you've got a little handheld fan, that would speed things up. So now that that is dry, I'm going to use this other alcohol marker. This is 12 Coral Red, and I'll try the brush tip first. We're going to draw random strawberries. So looking at the shape, they're quite round at the top, but then they go to a point, but they're still not super pointy, they still have rounded edges. We're going to draw them randomly all over. Sort of facing different ways. You might also get half a strawberry as well, here and there, like that. So they are my strawberry shapes, and then I'm going to use, oh, I didn't write the colour in here, I'll just fill that in. So that was 12 Coral Red. You don't have to use the exact same colours. If you don't have them, just any red, whatever colour that you have. So then I'm using this Staedtler felt tip pen. I think I'll use this thicker end because it is quite super fine at the other end. And we're going to draw the little dashes on each of the strawberries that are the seeds. So it seems that there is 3 dashes at the top of the strawberry and 2 at the bottom where it goes a little bit thinner. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 at the bottom, and do that for all the rest of the strawberries. So that is a fairly dark brown colour felt tip pen. And then I've also got a dark green and a lighter green in the felt tip pens. So now we need to add small leaves. So with the darker green, I'm going to do the leaves on top of the strawberries, which is like an M shape but with 3 arches, and the middle one a little bit taller than the others. So if we go a little one, a big one, and a little one, and just colour those in like so. And then the little strawberries that only have half a strawberry, like that one, either will only have one of the little arches for a leaf or none at all if you can't see the top of the strawberry. And then with the lighter green, we need to put these little dashes in. They're like little dashes, slightly oval shaped, very small, just as little leaves dotted about. So just randomly, like a little dash, but sort of a bit thicker than a dash, like a little oval, have them facing different ways, just randomly all over. Just filling in all those little gaps in between the strawberries. And then I just need to fill that in as well, if I always forget. So that's my lighter green and my darker green felt tip pens. And then I'm going to use a white Posca pen. It says add flowers and highlights with a white gel pen. So you can use a gel pen. I'm using this white Posca pen, whichever white pen you like to use. Let's give this a shake. So we're going to draw, first of all, these little white flowers, which seem to have 5 petals. So you could either draw 5 little circles all together to create that flower shape, or you can draw around like that, just to give it a little flower shape, just little tiny white flowers. You might have to go over it again after it dries just to make it look super white. It doesn't look too bad at the moment though, I don't think I need to go over that, but just fill in any little gaps where you can fit one of those little white flowers in. Sometimes you still might have like just a couple of petals showing if you're near the edge of the pattern. And then also we need to put white highlights on the strawberries. So the white highlight is, they all seem to be over on the right side of the strawberries. So if we do a line and then a dot near the top, like this, a line and a dot, all on the right side of the strawberries. And then really wait for that white pen to dry, because in the middle of all the flowers is a little green dot, but if they are not fully dry, when you go to add this little dot, it will just spread out and you'll end up with a green flower. So that might take a while to dry, but it is worth waiting to make sure that it is fully dry. So now that the white flowers are fully dry, we can add a little dot in the middle of them all. I'm using the lighter green colour. And just a little dot in the middle of all of those white flowers. And that is the strawberry pattern done. So now all I need to do is colour in the rest of this little bow, and I'm going to do it in the coral red colour.